Hi everyone, it's Chris here from OPMC, and today we're going to talk about how to choose a profitable niche for your online dropshipping business. You know, there are many ways to approach a dropshipping business, but one of the best is finding a profitable niche first. You want those high in demand products, sure to entice a target market willing to pay. Without demand, you could have the most fantastic product in the world, but no one is going to spend anything to acquire it. If you love tennis, you're probably going to purchase accessories like shoes, rackets, or balls. If you cannot get over how cute your cat is in the morning, you're probably willing to drop a few $100 on a cat bed, food, treats, and toys. It's all about finding those demand pressure points your customers want to fulfill. If you can solve a real-world problem they are experiencing while appealing to their underlying interests, you'll have an evergreen dropshipping niche to grow a solid business. So, what is a niche? Or as the Americans say, a niche. A niche is a specific area of interest. Could be anything from video games to knitting or even vegan food. You might have many niches that you're interested in, but the trick is finding one that will work well for your dropshipping business. If you are passionate about something and want to share it with others, then it's likely a good fit for your online store. That will keep you motivated to succeed. But you have to balance that passion with data. You need a niche that sparks your interest so you remain committed to building a business and has the customer demand so sales start to flow. That is the hard part. So here are some basic steps to help you get started. Remember, there is no tried and true method. You have to struggle a bit to find that perfect balance for yourself. The first step in finding a profitable niche is to brainstorm all the things that you like to do, have done, or are interested in. This may seem like a simple task, but it's actually quite tricky when you think about it. You can't just write down every single thing that comes to mind, because this will lead to lots of useless information and confusion later on. Instead, we recommend that you focus on things that will have some relation with each other, so they create an overall theme for your business. This will make it easier for potential customers who search for products related to those things. For example, let's say one of your passions is yoga. It's definitely not mine. And another is teaching children how to play chess. Also not one of mine, but could be yours. These two passions could go together well because both involve physical activity, not something that I'm interested in, and helping others improve themselves through education and maybe even competition. In addition, both activities require patience, so teaching kids how to play chess would be challenging but rewarding work. You can open a free-to-use Google Doc and let everything fall onto the page. Pretty soon you'll see a theme starting to emerge of the topics and niche areas you feel comfortable exploring. Next up, research current dropshipping trends. You'll want to do some research on current dropshipping trends. This includes looking at Google Trends, Pinterest, Reddit, and eBay, or one of the many other million websites out there. Google Trends, one of my favorite personal pages for this kind of thing, will show you what people are searching for in relation to your niche. You can see if any popular keywords aren't being targeted by other sellers yet, and capitalize on them by creating content around those topics or products. You know, Pinterest is another excellent tool for researching profitable niches because it shows what products are frequently pinned within each category of interest. You can begin to judge how many times they were pinned overall, who is sharing them, and what kind of community is around the topics. Finally, there's Reddit, where users post questions explicitly related to topics such as entrepreneurship and marketing advice, and general information about various industries, including e-commerce and e-commerce strategies, not to mention 1,000 other topics. Look at your topics and read people's questions, comments, and concerns about them. That is where you'll find the pain points you'll be solving with your dropshipping products. Third on my list, use Amazon to refine your niche. Now that you've got a basic idea of what products are selling well in your niche, it's time to find out more about each one. You can do this by searching for the product on Amazon and checking out its reviews sales rank, and price history. If there are lots of positive reviews, then this is an indication that people like the product and have bought it before. And if there aren't many reviews yet, but the product has been on sale recently, or if it's new, then that could mean demand will grow over time as more customers discover how great it is. This is also an excellent place to judge the competition. Don't forget, even if there are a ton of sellers in that niche, that doesn't mean you cannot undersell or offer something unique to those target customers. It may mean you have a bit more of an uphill battle, but it isn't impossible. You just gotta try harder. Number 4 on my list, use social media to judge demand in your niche. Social media is a great way to get a feel for the demand in your niche. There's people complaining about everything every minute of the day. You can use Facebook groups and pages, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and more to see how many people are talking about it. Your goal is to find the online spaces where your target market likes to exist. If you are hoping to sell accessories for ponies, then you need to look at groups and accounts featuring these toys and see what questions they may have or what they discuss the most. The more people involved in the conversation, the higher the potential demand. Number 5 on my list, do a Google search for competitors. Now that you've researched and chosen your niche, it's time to see how well it will perform. The first step is to search for your product or service on Google. If there are no competitors in the top 10 results, then congratulations! You have found yourself a potentially profitable niche. If competitors are in the top 10 results, keep searching until you find something that looks like an untapped market. You want to find a niche with only 2 to 3 competitors at the top page, so there is room for your dropshipping store to hit the top 3 results. Number 6, I'll move to 2 hands now. Learn by doing. Now that you have a profitable niche and product, it's time to start your online dropshipping business. The best way to learn is through experience. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They are an essential part of the learning process. As long as you're willing to learn from them, your mistakes can help make your business more profitable in the future. What about a bonus tip? Automate with a dropshipping plugin. Once you begin the process of building out your dropshipping business, it's time to shift to how to make it the most efficient and flexible operation. You want something you can quickly scale that doesn't require your constant attention, so you can focus on expanding product offerings and improving customer relationships. A great way to get this done is by installing our WooCommerce Dropshipping plugin. This allows you to integrate Amazon and AliExpress dropshipping processes so you can grow your dropshipping business faster. You can manage all aspects of your store, set profit margins, import inventory, create custom emails, and more, all from a simple user interface. Pick up our plugin today and expand your ability to rapidly grow your online store. It's all about potential domination of the marketplace, isn't it? So to conclude, we hope you found this video helpful in choosing a dropshipping niche. We know it can be a daunting task, but the results will speak for themselves if the proper process is used. By following these steps and being diligent about research and analysis, your chances of success will increase dramatically. Well, that's all from me. If you'd like to learn more, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell, and like this video. That will inspire us to create more content. We'd love to hear your feedback if you have some suggestions on how we can do a better job. Well, I'm Chris Bryant from OPMC. Until next time, thank you.